check out this really cool timer that is magnetic on the back. Great for your kitchen, great for the gym, great for anywhere where you need to keep a timer. And it takes 3 AAA batteries, and it does come with those batteries. And let's just have a look at the front here. So you have your screen where you can start and stop your timer. It does have an audible sound to it, which you can adjust whether you want it to be fully loud, middle loud, or just silent. You have simple 5-minute, 15-minute, 25-minute. You just press on that, and then you start and stop with this button right here. It tells you your minutes and your seconds right there, and you can stop it, and you can adjust that time all the way up just about 100 minutes, basically. So it has really good, like a ridged edge, so it's easy to grip when you are turning it. And yeah, I mean, it's a nice size. It looks awesome on your refrigerator. Maybe you're using it in your garage. Just a lot of really good uses for it. It has a nice like rubber padding as well on the back to make sure it's not going to scratch up anything. And yeah, it just feels overall just great quality. Here's what the alarm sounds like. 3, 2, 1. So it works great, it looks great. I highly recommend this timer, and thanks for watching.